Hi, meet John. John is in his second year in college and he's totally swamped with schoolwork. Mr. Harrison, his no-nonsense professor, just gave him a 10-page course assignment he has to submit in 3 days. John is sad because he cannot possibly do this assignment in 3 days. But what if I told you that was a way for John to get his coursework done with a guaranteed excellent score? Introducing Destiny Essay. We are an outfit that is dedicated to help you write and complete your coursework from scratch to finish at an affordable price. We guarantee you early delivery, in-depth research, quality information, and absolutely no plagiarism. What more is there to ask for? Now you don't need to worry about that long coursework anymore. Look at John, he now has time to study and do his other assignments. Click www.destinyessay.com now. Now we are here to help.